memorize that line. Yes. She is an illiterate person. Illiterate. Yes.
She knows the words.
Paolo, come again. Ano ito, expression?
No. He wants you to come again. You know?
I know.
Yeah, you come to Petite and then you come again to her. Come.
At clowns again.
No. No. She's talking about your semen. Come again. Come.
Ano lang?
Ayaw ka daw niya. You know, Ate Kay is one of our mainstream artists here in the Philippines. She's an actress. What can you say about her?
She's absolutely beautiful.
Ang pangit mo daw, Ate Kay.
Nakalitindi ako ng beautiful.
Alam ko di ka nakakaintindi.
Nakalitindi ako minsan. Kaya, adjective lang.
Oh, if ever that you're going to be Ate Kay over here, an adjective to describe her personality, what would it be? Say something, just one word.
Amazing.
Amazing! Or parang kang Jollibee, amazing aloha. Amazing.
Specifically.
How about petite?
She's unbelievable.
Oh,
Ano daw?
unbelievable, huge.
Wala namang huge.
Humongous.
Wala ganun.
No.
No?
I didn't say that.
Oh.
She's unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Ay, parang please believe it or not. What can you say about Ate Reg over here?
I don't know. Can't find the word.
Hindi ko ba ako nakikita?
Can't find a word for her? Like what?
She's just gorgeous.
Gorgeous!
Love it.
What can you say about Chuchi other than the word dumb?
Punta kayo
Very
ng
intelligent.
I'm sorry?
Very intelligent.
Very intelligent.
Hindi yan totoo.
Ano ba?
Hindi na nagsasalita yan.
So, Paolo, I've been so nice to you, from the very start. So, what can you say about me?
Nice one.
Sinadora.
I'm sorry? I'm sorry?
You're a nice person.
Nice.
Nice person.
Parang hindi ko kasi religious lang tayo.
Can you change the because I want beautiful. Can you change the adjective?
Beautiful. Beautiful guy.
Kaya sa akin,
Eh, pareho mga kayo.
Nice, beautiful.
I'm sorry?
Nice, beautiful.
Nice, beautiful, o parang pinahalo. Beautiful, nice, beautiful.
Gorgeous kasi.
Ano yung ano?
Intelligent.
Hindi, guest lang yan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Paolo. Applause for Paolo.